All right, guys, good morning, everybody, or good evening. It was a crazy day. SMCI is an unbelievable trading, and it was amazing. I personally had a really good day, and as you see, it was a very solid trade, especially in coin and SMCI. And I closed the week very strong, and S&P 500 is just below 500, and market trading was amazing. What was crazy was SMCI, this super micro company that is, I think it's related to the chips and stuff, has been up like 1,000% in a week. And I traded to the open side, to the long side. Again, at the open, it was about 12% up. It was up above 1,000. And as soon as it came above the VWAP, I went long, added more from 10.25 all the way up to 10.75. Like, it was like $100 per share profit on that. So again, this squeeze was the sign that I need to get in there, and again, show that to you. This squeeze was amazing. In that time, a stock was trading was plus 20%. So I went long and squeezed up, partialed out, and it was very strong. I added more again and popped up to 10.75, and then it dropped, and I got to stop that at the break even. Again, that's the trading rule that we do. And then I called it for a short. I called it for an amazing short. I did call it for a short because it was really losing the momentum on the order flow, and I knew it's going to be a very nice short. I called it for a short, and I do have actually take the screenshot, but the chat room people, they told me that don't do it. Let me actually show that for you. So here is the first one that I did, and at 650 I called it a short. It's a short. And then Stoyan and Flipper, then they said handcuffs, and John said short it to 500, and it did drop up to 800. And then Jared said it's also a very short at 650, and people started shorting it, and Stoyan talked me out of it and said, yes, go for a walk, please. And I didn't take that short. I was 100% there's going to be a short. It's a 5-minute open range breakdown. And did actually people take really nice that. Again, people 5 minutes later said Andrew missed out on his short. And Light, which is a really good trader in our community, he actually bought puts from $10 to $35, 300% short. And that's not even, he made actually later more. And again, it takes pictures that a lot of people like Jared and said congrats on the short. We took it all in the chat room community. Ali shorted 3 contracts. Ali made $4,600. And that's really nice. And Lights went up 600% on SMCI. And Eric got a $15, $21, and $30 move to the short side of SMCI. So SMCI was amazing. I can't believe how I missed actually trading it for the last week. It just, the volume and volatility was great. It was shortable. It was so easy to read the price action. And again, this is a 5-minute open range breakup that it did. Again, this is a huge move, but because the scale is from 1,000 to 800, so you can't see that. And it turned out to be a very nice 5-minute open range breakdown. They got destroyed. Like, it got really destroyed. And a lot of people in the community, again, took that trade. And then it even continued further going down, and again, all the way up to 810. I think it's going to be volatile as well tomorrow. So we're going to take that volatility tomorrow as well, which is super exciting. Another trade that I did was amazing was the coin. Coin had the earning yesterday, so we traded to the upside. I traded to the upside again, very nice. Traded for a few minutes and then came back. Again, this squeeze and the volume order flow was very bullish. We went long, partial out, and again I added more for the break of high of the day. So the high of the day that time was 190.130. Added more, popped up, partial out, and again more, and then eventually I got stopped out. So it was a very nice. I got actually some partial fills here because the volatility was really high in that candlestick. So it was amazing. Yeah, so it was amazing. Now, so imagine you had SMCI on the contracts. The contracts of SMCI have been very crazy. Like, imagine you would have buy a call option for today at let's say the price of, for example, $1,000. So let me actually see that the call option from like at the open from $50 went up to $80, and then it got destroyed in the short that. So you can actually short the calls at around $1,000 in the volatility. This is just unbelievable volatility from $80 to $100. This is just a perfect example. In Vegas next week, I'm going to have this presentation about selling short and naked calls and naked puts as a day trading option. So This is just amazing. So I couldn't believe this week. Actually, I traded only half of the day, but I couldn't really believe this volatility that we're getting. This AI hype and craziness is amazing. And just again, if you're not really trading, I think you're really missing out on that. So I don't know, guys, do you like this recaps in the format? Do you want to change the recaps? I was thinking actually stopping doing the recaps, because it seems that just every time that we are coming and saying we had an amazing day, it seems a little bit too much. Let me in the comments see if you like the format of the recaps, or if you want make any changes to that. Thank you so much, guys. Monday market is closed, and see you guys all in the Tuesday morning.